Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Nexar Halo Cam dash cam. I did some pre-opening, couple of preventative things just to make it easier. The first thing you'll see is how to download the app, how to install everything it comes with. It comes with the cam, the holder, USB cord, power cable, installation tool, micro SD card, and cable clips. Shows you how to mount it, which part of the wire is going where, the Wi-Fi settings, how to get everything attached, how to get everything going. This is very well packaged, lots of foam, not going to be damaged in transit. This is the box right here. This is the installation tool, this little pry bar. This is used to get up into your roofing or whatever you need. It's not going to damage anything. I use it and it works just fine. This is the mounting solution that this comes with. This is a 3M tape mount, so when you stick it, it's probably not going to move anymore, so know where you want to put it. But this option has like a 360 like mounting ball, so it's very forgiving in your angles and however you want to mount. I opted for the suction cup mount, which is a little bit bigger, and I can move it around as I need. I might switch to this eventually, but I wanted to try it out with this first to get the right location in the truck. These are your wire clip holders. If I can get one of these out, you just put your wire in there and clip it. There you go. Next is your cigarette lighter, double USB port. I have 2 cigarette lighters, 1 actual plug, and 2 USBs in my truck. I'm going to opt to plug this into the far left USB in my truck, just so that I don't have a wire running across my center console. And then I'm going to have this just for extra USB spaces. We have what I think is an 8-foot cord. I don't know, 6 foot, 8 foot, somewhere in there. It's definitely long enough to go all the way through your roof, down your front pillar, underneath your dash area, and up to your center console to plug in. It's definitely long enough. And last, we have the camera itself. One heads up, it does have a protective film in the front of the lens so it doesn't get all scratched up. And make sure you remove it or your video quality might not be that good. I almost forgot about it. But here it is from the front facing you. On the bottom we have a power button and a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. We have the Wi-Fi light, which will be blue, and the recording light, which will be red. Then we have the power, the reset button, the mount, and then the rear camera if you decide to opt into a rear camera. I'm not doing that right now because I have a shell, but if I ever don't have a shell and I want a rear camera, I'm able to link them together. As for how it mounts, it's just a simple dovetail. You just take it, insert it here, and push it all the way in, and then this one clips in. The other one doesn't, but it's still really solid. This is the unboxing of the dash cam, guys. Let's go get it installed. We're in the truck right here, and we're going to be taking this length of wire and running it all the way through here, down, and then I'm going to follow the same path my wire does for my Banks Derringer. And then the camera itself will just be sitting somewhere like right there. So I probably won't even be able to see the camera as I'm driving because it'll sit behind my rearview mirror. So that'll be a plus. I've always been cautious of things like hanging down in front of me and just getting in my way, like especially like GoPros when I'm driving and trying to film. It's not a good thing. Don't do that, guys. But we're gonna start by taking this. I wonder how much extra length that I need. Probably not much. If anything, I can just get some more of it. What's the easiest way to get up underneath this? All right, I need to make sure I have enough wire. If I go too far with this, I won't be able to pull any back, so I have a little extra. So here, this is where I'm going to use these little wire hooks is all it is. And I'm going to probably set one somewhere in here that keeps just the edge of this wire up and out of the way. Which way should I'm debating on which way I should put it. Should I put it this way or have the wire opening facing out? I'm gonna do out and see how I like it. If I don't like it, I have like 5 or 6 of those, so I should be good. Open her up. So guys, as you can see, I have this little bit of wire here. I tucked it all the way through, came down, used one of their little wire clips, ran it just above the Banks Derringer, and then I followed the same path right through here. Let me see if this is focusing. Followed the same path and just tucked it in all through this. Can you see it right there? You can't even see it. It looks like a wire, but it's not. Tucked it in. You can see the tiny bit exposed right there. Went underneath down here, and I actually ran it through my OBD2 cord right here just to kind of keep it up. And then now we have some excess wire down here that I'm going to zip tie or whatever. I'm going to figure out some way to get this up and out of the way, tuck it up in there, but then it just plugs in right here, guys. So now we're going to take the camera. Can we focus on this? Going to take the camera and install her, and then we're going to drive around. We're going to get some footage, save it, transfer it to the phone, and check it out. But it's going to be sitting right behind, right up. We're a little bit better. I think we can angle it up one more time and kind of tilt it to the right, and we should be good. Now that we have that installed, we're gonna go drive around and record some footage, and I'm gonna let y'all tell me how y'all think the video quality is. I think I have it at the right angle. Kind of had to unmount it and turn it a little bit, but I think we got a good angle. I think we got a good line of sight. We're gonna go take a drive and see how y'all like it. So far so good. I like it. I might record some audio while we're driving around. I don't know what kind of audio it records, so we'll just have to see. Let's go. So guys, as you can tell, we're now driving down the road. The video quality is it's decent from what I had to go to get it to here. I had to take it from my phone, airdrop it to my computer, put it into Final Cut, take it, upload it to YouTube. So if some video quality was lost, I'm sorry. It probably is not doing it justice, but the video quality is actually extremely nice on your phone. For the money, I think this dash cam is an excellent solution. Full disclosure, guys, I'm trading shout outs on Instagram for these dash cams. So they were sent to me, but they were not free. I am promoting them. On top of that, I do have a discount code or a discount percentage link or something. All that information will be at the top of the description if you'd like to get one of these dash cams. Like I said, this is probably one of the best dash cams for the money. So I recommend that you get one. There's some insurances that if you have a dash cam, it'll actually give you a discount and some other things, and just a safe reassurance. You know, I saw a wreck the other day in the rain that probably could have been avoided, but they hydroplaned. They were driving way too fast, and I wish I would have had this recording for them just so I could have given it to them. No one was injured. They just popped their tire and kind of scraped their bumper. But that being said, you know, you should probably have a dash cam in your vehicle. Once I have this, you know, it'll go with this truck, it'll go with the next truck. Too cheap to not have. Plus, you never know what you're going to record. If you hit a deer or something, you might want to play it back. If you see a wreck, you might want to play it back. You see something funny or anything, legal reasons, you might want one of these. That being said, guys, this is the end of the video. I appreciate you watching. I really do. We're almost at 10,000 subs. Please drop a like, share this video. If anything, just drop a like. Even if you didn't like the video, guys, it really helps out. Drop a comment if you have any questions or concerns. If you want to see an unboxing of something else, let me know. If you like this format, how I film the video, let me know. This is something I've never done before, so it's new to me and new to y'all, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.